And you can often find China at the center of those global growth concerns. And while the recent economic data out of the world's second largest economy has been better, those reports may not be telling the whole story. Seema Mody explains.
The 6-week bounce back by the stock market has some investors wondering what happened to the Great Wall of Fear surrounding China. All the talk of a slowdown in the world's second biggest economy and its effect on global growth. This week, some short-term economic data from China has shown improvement. Manufacturing expanded for the first time in 9 months. The Services Purchasing Managers Index rose a full point in March. Any number above 50 indicates growth. Also, Chinese industrial firms posted higher profits for January and February, and currency rates have stabilized some since last summer's downdraft. But China's change from a manufacturing to a consumer-based economy leaves some investors wondering if a turnaround is really possible.
China has the advantage that its service sector is very strong, growing double digits, and we think that'll keep that economy stable. But as long as they remain committed to consolidating the manufacturing and construction sectors, you're going to continue to see weak manufacturing data leading out of China, and that's going to drag down those same sectors in the neighboring countries.
Indeed, many of China's Asian peers, South Korea, Hong Kong, and Japan, countries that rely heavily on demand from Chinese companies, are not faring as well. South Korea posted a double-digit decline in first-quarter exports. Hong Kong's manufacturing levels are at their lowest level since August, and in Japan, business confidence has been dropping.
With every statistic we see out of Asia, ex-China, whether it's Taiwan, whether it's Hong Kong, and other Asian countries, they're suffering slowdowns from their sensitivity and exposure to China. So global growth continues to shrink, with China being a big part of that.
It's just one of several global concerns that continue to haunt stock markets in a year still full of question marks. In Europe, talks of a Brexit will hover until summer, and after that, an already hot U.S. presidential campaign will shift into high gear. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Seema Mody.